Auspit Silver Rotisserie Package. The Auspit Silver Rotisserie Package is a compact and portable outdoor cooking kit perfect for camping trips, backyard barbecues, or any outdoor adventure. Made entirely from durable stainless steel, it's built to last and easy to clean, ensuring years of hassle-free cooking. Setting it up is quick and simple, letting you start roasting up to 8 kilograms of meat in no time. With a battery-operated motor, the rotisserie turns your meat automatically, giving you perfectly cooked, evenly roasted meals without constant attention. The stainless steel skewer is designed for easy cleaning, making post-cook cleanup effortless. This complete kit also comes with a handy carry bag, so transporting it to your campsite, picnic, or outdoor gathering is simple and convenient. Lightweight yet sturdy, the Auspit Silver Rotisserie allows you to enjoy delicious, slow-cooked meals wherever you go, combining practicality with efficiency. Whether you're camping with friends, hosting a family barbecue, or enjoying a weekend adventure, this rotisserie makes outdoor cooking fun and stress-free. Priced around $400, it's an excellent choice for anyone who loves tasty, home-cooked meals outdoors and wants a high-quality, portable, and easy-to-use rotisserie that delivers consistent results every time. CABN Jude in McLaren Flat is a serene off-grid retreat that brings you close to nature while offering all the comforts you need for a relaxing getaway. Perfect for up to 3 guests, it features a king-size loft bed accessible by a ladder and a downstairs king single day bed, giving flexible sleeping options for couples or small groups. The interior is minimalist yet functional, with a kitchenette equipped with a bar fridge, 2-burner gas cooktop, and essential cookware so you can prepare meals with ease. The bathroom includes a shower, cartridge toilet, and basin with fresh bath linen, making your stay convenient and comfortable. Large picture windows fill the space with natural light and offer stunning views of the surrounding vineyards, creating a peaceful and calming atmosphere. Pet-friendly and located just 80 meters from Seahab in Georgia, this retreat is perfect for those seeking a quiet escape from city life. With nightly rates ranging from $270 to $350, Caban Jude combines modern amenities with a nature-filled experience, allowing you to relax, unwind, and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors. Whether it's a romantic trip, a small family getaway, or a solo retreat, Caban Jude offers a cozy, stylish, and tranquil place to recharge and connect with nature. Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle. The Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle is perfect for families or groups who want flexible, hassle-free camping. This 6-person tent can be used on its own or connected to other compatible tents at 3 enclosed connection points, letting you create a larger campsite however you like. Additional 6-person and 3-person tents can be purchased separately to expand your setup even further. Setup is quick and easy thanks to pre-attached poles, a hub system, fast-fit feet, and snag-free Instaclips that secure everything in place without stress. The tent's WeatherTech system keeps you and your gear dry with welded floors and inverted seams that stop water from seeping in. The strong cabin-style frame is tested to handle winds over 35 miles per hour, giving you stability and confidence in all kinds of weather. An extended door awning and rainfly provide extra protection from rain and sun. Eno Double Nest Hammock. The Eno Double Nest Hammock is the perfect companion for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, backpacking, or just relaxing in your backyard, this hammock makes it easy to unwind comfortably. Made from soft, durable fabric, it can hold 1 or 2 people, so you can enjoy some peaceful solitude or share the moment with a friend. Its lightweight and compact design, featuring an integrated stuff sack, makes it easy to pack, carry, and store, so you can take it anywhere on your adventures. The hammock is built to last, with triple-stitched seams and specially designed carabiners that ensure a safe and secure hang every time. Setting it up between trees or other sturdy supports is simple and quick, making it ideal for spontaneous trips or relaxing afternoons outdoors. Perfect for reading, napping, or simply enjoying nature, the ENO Double Nest provides comfort and convenience wherever you go. With prices ranging from $50 to $80, depending on the color and retailer, It's an affordable way to enhance your outdoor experience. Escapade Topo 2. The Escapade Topo 2 is a high-quality off-road teardrop trailer built for adventurers who want comfort, durability, and convenience while exploring rugged terrain. Its single-piece composite body, reinforced with a strong PAT core, makes it incredibly tough and weather-resistant, able to handle the toughest outdoor conditions. The trailer's independent suspension system, built in-house, ensures a smooth and stable ride, even on rough trails, giving you confidence on every journey. Inside, the Topo 2 offers plenty of sleeping space for two, making overnight trips comfortable and restful. Its rear galley kitchen is fully equipped, so cooking outdoors is easy and stress-free. Despite its compact size, the trailer is thoughtfully designed to maximize space and functionality, combining a sleek look with practical features. Ideal for off-road camping, remote adventures, or exploring challenging landscapes, the Escapade Topo 2 delivers reliability, comfort, and style in one package. Starting at around $43,000, it's a premium option for travelers who want to elevate their outdoor experiences. With its rugged build, smart interior, and adventure-ready design, the Topo 2 allows you to travel farther, camp smarter, and enjoy every outdoor moment with ease. It's the ultimate companion for off-road explorers seeking freedom and comfort. GoLo Bike Camper. The GoLo Bike Camper is an innovative solution for adventure seekers who want the freedom to travel and camp anywhere on two wheels. Designed to be lightweight and compact, it attaches easily to your bicycle, turning your ride into a fully functional mini camper. Despite its small size, it offers a comfortable sleeping space and shelter, making it perfect for solo travelers or couples who love spontaneous outdoor adventures. The camper is made from durable, weather-resistant materials, keeping you safe from rain, wind, and sun while you rest. Setup is quick and simple, so you can stop anywhere and have a cozy campsite ready in minutes. Its clever design also allows for storage of essentials, keeping your gear organized and accessible during your journey. With the GoLo Bike Camper, you don't need a large vehicle or heavy equipment to enjoy nature. Everything you need for a night under the stars fits neatly on your bike. Nomad Kitchen LT. The Nomad Kitchen LT is a smart and versatile outdoor cooking system designed for anyone who loves cooking while exploring nature. Lightweight and compact, it folds easily, making it simple to carry and store for camping trips, tailgating, picnics, or any outdoor adventure. Unikaru. The Onikaru is a compact and powerful wood-fired pizza oven that lets you enjoy restaurant-quality pizzas anywhere outdoors. It heats up quickly, reaching temperatures of up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius, so you can cook a perfect pizza in just 60 seconds. Made from durable stainless steel, it is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for backyard gatherings, camping trips, or any outdoor cooking adventure. One of its best features is the choice of fuels. You can use wood pellets, kindling, or charcoal, giving your pizzas a unique flavor and letting you cook the way you prefer. Its smart design is easy to set up and simple to use, so even beginners can make amazing pizzas without hassle. The Unikaru is perfect for pizza enthusiasts who want consistent, crispy crusts and perfectly melted toppings every time. Compact yet powerful, it brings fun, flavor, and flexibility to your outdoor meals. Whether you're hosting friends, enjoying a family dinner, or just treating yourself, the Unikaru turns any outdoor space into a personal pizzeria. With this oven, making delicious, high-quality pizza outdoors becomes fast, easy, and a lot more exciting, giving you a fun way to cook and share meals anywhere you go. OZ Trail Blockout Tent. The OZ Trail Blockout Tent is a must-have for campers who want comfort, convenience, and a good night's sleep no matter where they are. Its unique blockout technology blocks sunlight, making it easy to rest even during the brightest mornings. Combined with superior insulation, the tent keeps the inside cool on hot summer days and warm during chilly nights, so you can relax comfortably in any weather. The spacious interior provides plenty of room for multiple sleepers, as well as extra space to store your gear and enjoy some personal space while camping. Setup is quick and simple thanks to the fast frame system, letting you spend more time exploring or relaxing outdoors instead of struggling with poles and stakes. Made from durable materials, the OZ Trail Blockout tent is built to last and handle different outdoor conditions, making it perfect for families, solo campers, or anyone who wants a stress-free camping experience. Whether you're at a festival, in the wilderness, or on a weekend getaway, this tent combines practicality, comfort, and ease of use. With its light-blocking fabric, excellent insulation, and roomy design, it makes camping enjoyable, relaxing, and hassle-free, giving you the perfect outdoor home wherever you go. Quichua Camp Bed Air. The Quichua Camp Bed Air from Decathlon is a clever and comfortable solution for campers who want a good night's sleep outdoors. At first glance, it might look like a small raft, but it's actually an inflatable bed base designed to support your camping mattress perfectly. For those traveling with a partner or looking for extra space, two Camp Bed Air units can be connected to create a double bed, giving you a cozy setup for glamping or regular camping. Weighing only 3.8 kilograms, it's easy for one person to carry, and it comes with a handy storage case for effortless transport. Its elevated design makes it simple to get in and out of bed while keeping you off the cold, damp ground. Being raised also protects you from condensation, bugs, and other unwanted campsite nuisances, making your sleep more comfortable and worry-free. Lightweight, durable, and easy to set up, the Quechua Camp Bed Air turns any camping trip into a restful and enjoyable experience. Safari Condo Alto R7113. The Safari Condo Alto R7113 is a smart and stylish travel trailer that makes road trips and camping adventures comfortable and easy. Its compact design with a retractable roof allows for simple garage storage while giving you extra space and sunlight when extended. This makes the interior feel bright, open, and welcoming, perfect for relaxing after a day of travel or outdoor activities. Built with lightweight aluminum and an aerodynamic shape, the R1713 is easy to tow, whether you're heading to a nearby campsite or exploring remote locations. Inside, the trailer features a well-equipped kitchen and bathroom, giving you all the essentials you need to cook, clean, and stay comfortable. Summit Ridge Dragon V1. The Summit Ridge Dragon V1 is a rugged and versatile outdoor companion built for adventurers who love exploring the wild. Designed to handle tough terrains and extreme conditions, it combines durability, strength, and smart design to make your trips easier and more enjoyable. Lightweight yet strong, it's easy to carry without compromising on performance, giving you the freedom to move confidently through mountains, forests, or remote trails. Its thoughtful features include secure storage options and weather-resistant materials, keeping your gear safe and protected no matter where your journey takes you. Perfect for solo travelers or small groups, the Dragon V1 supports extended outdoor trips, providing comfort, convenience, and reliability along the way. Every detail is built with practicality in mind, ensuring that setup, use, and transport are hassle-free. Whether you're camping, hiking, or exploring rugged landscapes, the Summit Ridge Dragon V1 is designed to keep up with your adventure while making life outdoors more comfortable. Combining toughness, portability, and clever design, it's more than just gear. It's a trusted partner for outdoor exploration. With the Dragon V1, every journey becomes smoother, safer, and more enjoyable, giving you the confidence to explore nature and experience adventure like never before. Swiss Room Box. The Swiss Room Box is a game changer for car camping, making it easier and more comfortable to take your adventures on the road. This smart modular system transforms most vehicles with a hatch into a fully functional camping setup. The base version comes with a table for 2 to 4 people that can also convert into a single or double bed or extra storage space, giving you flexibility for dining, sleeping, or organizing your gear. For those who want more convenience, higher trim levels include features like a two-burner gas stove, a shower, a water heater, and other handy additions to make camping feel like home. Designed in Switzerland, the Swiss Room box is built for quality, durability, and ease of use, and it fits a wide range of vehicles. An online compatibility list helps ensure it works with your car. Prices range from $4,051 to 81 cents to $6,319.35, reflecting its premium design and versatility. While it's not yet available in the United States, this modular system offers a peek into the future of car camping, letting you travel, cook, and sleep anywhere comfortably. Whether for a weekend getaway or an extended road trip, the Swiss Room box turns your vehicle into a cozy mobile home, making outdoor adventures simple, practical, and fun. Xenonest. Step into the future of camping with Xenonest, a two-story inflatable air house that feels like it came from 2099. This innovative tent from a Korean brand sets up in just 4 minutes and weighs only 50 pounds, making it portable and easy to carry. Inside, 3 private zones across 2 levels offer plenty of space for families or anyone who loves luxury camping. Its strong air-beam frame can handle winds up to 20 miles per second, keeping you safe and cozy in any weather. Whether you're on a remote mountain, exploring the outdoors, or hosting a backyard glamping party, Xenonest transforms any spot into a futuristic retreat. Sleek and modern, it combines comfort, style, and adventure, creating a warm and inviting space. Camping has never felt this exciting and high-tech, giving every trip a next-level experience with convenience, durability, and futuristic design. Z Lounger. The Z Lounger is a next-level outdoor chair designed for ultimate comfort and durability. Inspired by the classic LC4 recliner, its ergonomic S-shaped curve perfectly supports your body, allowing you to relax for hours without any strain. Made from military-grade, ultra-strong materials, it can handle everything from pet scratches and UV exposure to the pressure of a 12-ton bulldozer, making it one of the toughest chairs you can own. Despite its incredible strength, the Z Lounger is surprisingly lightweight at just under 5 kilograms and folds down as small as a yoga mat, making it easy to carry and store. Setup is simple and fast, thanks to the included manual pump, carrying strap, sand stakes, and other accessories. Whether you're camping in rough terrains, lounging at the beach, or enjoying a sunny day in your backyard, the Z Lounger delivers unmatched comfort and reliability. It's built to go wherever your adventures take you, providing a cozy, supportive seat without the bulk of traditional outdoor furniture. Priced around $226, it combines toughness, portability, and comfort in one versatile package. With the Z Lounger, you can enjoy outdoor relaxation like never before, making every adventure more comfortable, stylish, and fun.